Sawadee krab. Now we'll go over the next set of 7 consonants. They are the 7 common low-class obstruents. Okay, so they consist of 4 aspirated stops over here in blue and 3 fricatives in green. Okay, and we also learn about the 3 long vowels or all right. So these are the 7 low-class consonants. The first one is kho kwai, kho kwai. Remember, there's aspiration, there's a puff of air when you pronounce kho, right? That's why it's spelled with a H here. Kho kwai, chaw chang, chaw chang, saw so, saw so, tho thahan, tho thahan, paw pan, paw pan, for fun, for fun, hò nok hook, hò nok hook. All right, let's see how to write them. Where is it? All right, let's see how to write them. Okay, so the first one is kho kwai, right? Kho kwai for the low class obstruents. All right, we write it this way. Start from the circle again, from the middle, go down and go up like that. This is kho kwai. Again, start from the circle, go down and up. All right, if you write it small, it will look like this. All right, kho kwai. You may notice that it looks like dodek. Dodek is like that. All right, dodek. The difference is just the orientation of the circle, right? This one is like a clockwise go down, right? This one is anti-clockwise go down. All right, and then this one has a friend called tota also. All right, but this one also has a friend that looks like this, but this is now obsolete. This is called kon. It's no longer written in modern Thai. Okay, a way to remember is, oh, the do sound and the to sound, they are like alveolar sounds, right? They have the same place of articulation. They have the same orientation for the circle, but this one is an extra. All right, totally different kind of sound, right? So that's one way to remember. So the next one is chaw chang, chaw chang, chaw chang. All right, it looks a bit complicated, but not really. Okay, start from the top here and like that. All right. All right. You make sure when you come back here, you must kiss over here and then you go up. All right, chaw chang. Okay, make sure you kiss this part. Otherwise, you look like another consonant. All right. Chaw chang. If I write small, you look like this. All right. Next, we have saw so. Saw so. Saw so looks like chaw chang a little, but the difference is just the head, right? Start from the circle again. Draw a little kink here, and then do the same thing for chaw chang like that. All right, this is saw so. All right, the difference is just the head. So saw so is like that, and then kink, and then the same thing. But chaw chang is just like that and like that. Okay, that's the difference. If you're already small, you look like this. Kink, okay, and then like that. All right. Next, we have tho thahan. Okay, you can also pronounce it as tho thahan, like ta instead of ta, right? Tho thahan. Okay. Okay, it looks like this. Circle from the top, go down, and then like. Okay, this looks bad. Sorry. Again, go down, like that. All right. Kind of looks like the letter N in English, right? And it looks like a tortoise also, like a tortoise. Like this is the tortoise shell, you see, the tortoise shell, and then the legs, okay? All right, so let's redraw this. Start from circle, go down, and then go to the midway, and then you curve like that, and then vertically down, all right? This is ทอทหาร all right? If already small, you look like this, all right? ทอทหาร Next we have พอพานพอพาน all right? This one looks easy to draw, correct? It's like a W but with a head. So let's write. Start from the circle as always. Go down. Notice that the head is pointing outside. It's like the ทอทหาร, right? Next we have for fun. For fun. So it looks like พอพาน but there's a tail extending over the top line. It's like the บอใบไม้ Remember the บอใบไม้ It looks like this, right? บอใบไม้ And the ปอปลา is like that, correct? The for fun looks like this. All right, for fun. All right, looks like this. Of course, don't draw it like that. It looks a bit ugly. Let's redraw it. Something like this. All right. If it's already small, it will look like this. All right. Like that. So, พอพาน will be like that, right? พอพาน and for fun will be like that. Okay? Lastly, we have the ฮอนกฮูก, correct? ฮอนกฮูก ฮอนกฮูก It looks like the ออัง Remember ออัง looks like this? ออัง looks like this, right? Correct? But the ฮอนกฮูก is like ออัง but you do like that. Okay? It's like wearing a cap or something, or wavy hairstyle. So start from the circle as always. Go like that, and then without letting go, just turn like that. All right, this is ฮอนกฮูก ฮอนกฮูก All right, if you draw it small, it look like this. All right, ฮอนกฮูก Okay, remember all ang is just like that. All right. Now we go through the 3 long vowels. All right. And So this is like ตือค่า, right? ตือค่า. Is like teacher. All right. So these 3 vowels will be a bit special. So we see, remember the consonants are in black while the vowels are in red. Okay, so this is the vowel o. Okay, is the vowel o. This is call. This is cho. This is saw, to. All right, the vowel looks like this. This is the vowel All right, we're going to write the vowel above and to the right of the consonant. This is chu. All right, for the right, you write it on the left and right. So these 2 is the vowel So you see the vowel right, consists of the 1 hockey stick, the a and the o ang, correct? This is okay, the vowel sound. All right. So let's see how to write the 3 vowels. All right. So all right. All, if this is the consonant, or just an o ang beside it. So for example,คอควาย call kwai and all, right? Call kwai and all. Call kwai is like that, right? This is call kwai. Then the sara all is like that. All right, sara all. This is pronounced as call. What about ko? Ko. All right, ko kai. That's very small this time. Ko kai and sara all. This is ko. Okay, if I add the first tone mark, ti piao, for the mid class, right? I should get ti sheng. What about this? Ko kai, correct? Ko kai. And the sara all. And this is, which piao is this? This piao looks like which number the most? If you like turn your head, it should look like this the most. So it is di san piao. Di san piao gives you di san sheng, right? So this is di sheng, di san sheng, ko ko, ko. This is ko ko, ko ko, ko. So this is pronounced as ko ko, ko ko. All right. This is the vowel o. Okay. If I have this, what about this? If I have this, I have the glottal stop, correct? So glottal stop is like that. And next, I have the vowel o also. So this thing is pronounced as o. This one is the consonant. This one is the vowel, okay? Because the vowel o is always written on the right of the consonant. Okay. Next, for the vowel right? If this is the consonant, we write this. It's like the vowel e, right? But with another stroke here. As well as the an o here. This is okay? So for example, I want to write mu, right? Mu means hand, H-A-N-D in Thai. Mu, I write the o in the the moma in the center first, right? Mu, and then I fit these two around it. So like that. This thing here is pronounced as mu, mu. Okay? Mu. What about the word boo, boo? If I want to write the word boo, how do I write it? Wait, let's not have boo. Let's have boo instead. Let's have boo. So popla, right? Popla is like that. What about the vowel? How do I write it? Okay, don't write it on top here. Write it like that. Write it beside the tail, right? Boo. This is pronounced as boo, boo. Okay. So if you wanna say like tu ka, right? Tu. How are you gonna write tu? You need to write to tau, right? To tau. And then sara This is how you write tu. Okay. Tu. Next, we go to the vowel right? Is it's like an inverted letter E, right? E is like that, but this is inverted like that, rotated. Okay. If this is the consonant, is written like that. Okay. So for example, the word fur, right? The word fur, fur. So this is my consonant, right? Fur. I need to write the vowel on left and right. So this thing is pronounced as fur. Okay, fur. Should be simple enough, I guess. Let's now talk about the final consonants.